Hi and welcome to Vogue and Yoga. Since many of us know that acne breakouts can occur on our skin due to variety of reasons such as hormonal imbalance, stress, toxins in our body and also lack of water intake by the body. So if you are also facing such problems, then this is the video for you, because in this video I will be telling you and showing you that how you can take care of your skin through yoga, because yoga has that power to kind of ignite the blood circulation into the body, which is really important for detoxifying of our body. Also, oxygen influx also gets transported into the body, which is really important in getting rid of such skin problems. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. We will start with a type of pranayam, that is Nadi Shodhan. For this, sit in Sukhasana. Now keep your hands in Gyan Mudra. Fold the index finger of your right hand and thumb should press the finger. Now use the thumb of your right hand to close the right nostril. Inhale in and exhale out with left nostril. Do this 5 times. Keep your eyes closed. Now with 2 fingers, close your left nostril. Repeat the same inhaling process with right nostril. Inhale in and exhale out. Open your eyes and hands down. So the first is Matsyasana. For this, lie down on your back. We will do this in Padmasana. For this, first keep your right foot on the left thigh and left foot on the right thigh. Gradually lift your chest up by taking help of your arms. Try to arch your spine and head until your crown touches the ground. Now gradually hold your toes and breathe. Release this posture by taking help of your arms. If you think it's too hard for you, let me show you the variation. Stretch your legs out. Lift yourself up by taking support of your elbows. Crown of your head down. And relax. Sit on the floor and stretch your legs. Your legs should be straight in front. Hold the right leg in both hands. Fold the leg slowly and place it on your left thigh. Repeat the same with your left knee. Your spinal cord should be straight at this point. Your hands should be together, or put the palms facing upside on the knee joints, and thumb must touch your index finger and other fingers should face upwards. Don't bend your body while doing this. Next is Chakrasana. Lie flat on your back. Now bring your palms under your shoulders. Bend your knees and bring your heels closer to touch your hips. Keep some distance between your feet and your hips. Now while inhaling, press your palm and feet on the ground and lift your body up. Try to raise your hips as much as you can. Hold this position for few seconds according to your capacity. Now release slowly to come to the starting position. So those who have good flexibility can try this variation of Chakrasana as well. For this, stand straight with feet together and arms besides your body. Now with the help of your waist, bring your hands on your waist and bend backward. Slowly bend your arms down towards the floor and you are in the position. So now let's come on to the Bhujan Asana. So lie down on your abdomen. Keep your palms near the side of your chest. Inhale, lengthen your spine, create a space between your pelvic and your rib cage. Arch your neck and look upward gently. Put pressure on your toes by pressing them onto the floor.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel below.